know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video, I will be resetting for spring, and over a few months, March and April and a little of February, I was going and looking for things to just do a few updates, and so I'll be taking you with me to see what I found in Ross, Target, and Home Goods. Here in Ross, I found this beautiful wall art that I love. I really don't have any black in my home, so I will be changing the black out for maybe some brown. I do have black, but it's in my room, but I'm not going to hang this there. So I may be just doing a DIY and going over the black areas with some brown. But I love this portrait. It is huge, and I think this was only $39.99. And here you can see I'm going to stand by it soon. And it's a large portrait, and for that price, it was a great value. And in this video, like I said, I'm going to throw in some music and you can just enjoy finding out what I have discovered in home decor. Okay, I got these from Ross. They were only $4.99, and I just thought they would be really pretty for like spring, sitting outside or whatever. But today, let me just show you what I got. So the reason I needed something to go in here on this. I already have one of these, which is the tall one, but it's on my coffee table. So now I have two. So let me move these glasses because I need to clean those at some point. And then I have a candle up here, which I got these candles from Ross. I'll insert a clip. They're really pretty, and they smell, oh my god, it smells so good, right? And they were only $6.99 at Ross, right? I never get so lucky when I'm looking for candles because I normally can never find the same. So the fact that I was able to score 4 of the same candles and they smell amazing, I'm so happy with them. wanted to see if this matches my bed. Because if it didn't, it's going back. I need to turn light on. I think it doesn't have to be exactly the same color. But I think it'll go. Oh, whatever. Wait. I like this color. This is just my computer setup. I kind of moved it from the window and put it under my TV. Yeah, I like it here way better because I did a DIY that went wrong, but that's gonna be in a later video as Dia's getting ready to put up these curtains that I got right here from Amazon. Oh, when I tell you what happened, so devastating, but I love it here. I'm about to fix my hair, and that's gonna be in another video.